Welcome to the channel, The Art of Satisfaction. Hope you are all fine. Today, we can tell you about Shahid Khan Afridi biography. Sahibzada Muhammad Shahid Khan Afridi was born in 1980 on 1st March. His nickname is Boom Boom and Lala. His height is 5 foot 11 inch. He is a right-handed batsman. He is a right-arm leg spinner. He played for Pakistan. He did his Test debut against Australia. He played last on 13 July 2010 versus Australia. He did his ODI debut against Kenya. He played his last ODI versus Australia. His ODI shirt number is 10. He did his T20 debut against England. He played his last T20 against West Indies. His T20 shirt number is 10. Shahid Afridi played for Peshawar Zalmi, a PSL league, the franchise owner of Javed Afridi, 2016 to 2017. Shahid Afridi also played for Multan Sultans 2018 to 2019 and 2019 to 2020. In March 2014, Shahid Afridi established the Shahid Afridi Foundation, which aimed to provide healthcare and education facilities in Pakistan. He was named among the world's most charitable athletes by Do Something in August 2015. In my opinion, in the end, I would like to say the most impressive quality of Shahid Afridi is that he served people very much. It is our responsibility, if we are rich or if we can do something for people, to serve humanity, like Boom Boom Afridi. Please let me know, can you like our video? Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.